Hi everyone, nice to meet you in my channel. Today we'll solve the problem of this number theory. It is the interesting question. It was taken from the TÜBİTAK, the Turkish Olympiad, which is also one of the difficult, I think, Olympiad in the Asia, in the Turkey, like that. Okay, let's solve this equation. Let's solve this problem. Firstly, we need to know some theorems before solving this question. Our first theorem, it is Fermat's theorem. I think I say about this theorem last lesson. It is one of the important, I think, theorem in the mathematics. Okay, what Fermat theorem say? What Fermat's theorem talk about? It says that a power of p minus 1 is equivalent to 0 at mod p. Sorry, not to 0, to 1 at mod p. Okay, at mod p. And we need to know that p is not to be a simple number. Not simple. It needs to be prime number. And GCD of A and P need to be 1. Okay, then look at the question. It says that 1 power of 1 plus 2 power of 2 plus 3 power of 3 plus 4 plus power of 4 plus blah blah blah plus 31 factorial power of 31 factorial at mod is equivalent to x. We need to find the x at mod 31, and it's a find value of x. Okay, firstly, I think there is 31 factorial of groups, and we'll divide to 31 groups this number. We know that first group will do like that: 1 power of 1 plus 2 power of 2. It will go like that, blah blah blah, plus 30 power of 30. Okay, it's our first group. We don't count 31 power of 31 because it's divisible by 31, and it will give us number 0, which is not very valuable. And we know that it says we will use Fermat theorem, and every number from 1 to 30 their GCD will give 1, and P like 31 is a prime number, and it is good for us. Then we will use this Fermat's theorem for this, and I will write like a power of 30 equivalent to 1 at mod 31. Okay, it's good information for us. Okay, and we saw there is 30 power of 30. We can write it also like 0, but you'll stay it like that. You will understand later. Okay, 1 power of 1 will give 1, of course, every time. 2 power of 2, blah blah blah, but we don't count of this. We will count it at last. Then it was our first group. First group. Our second group will be like 32 power of 32 plus 30 plus 33 power of 33. It will go like that. And if you see, if we divide 32 to the 31, it will be 1, and the mod will be 1 also, and we will change 31 will be equivalent to 1, and 33 will be equivalent to 2, and it will go like that, and we will get like 1 square plus 2 cube plus 3 power of 4, like blah blah blah until 30 power of 31. It will be our other group until 62 power of 62. It's divisible by 31, 62, and of course it will give to us 0, absolutely 0. Okay, let's continue. It's our second group. Our third group, like they're symmetric, they're cyclic, we can use a log. And our third group, I will don't write like this again. I will write it. It will be symmetric. It will be 1 cube plus 2 over 4 plus 3 over 5 plus blah blah blah plus 30 over 32. Our first group will be like this, everything will be like that, other groups. And if we write all groups, or 30 groups, it will be 1 power of 1 plus 2 power of 2 plus 3 power of 3 plus 4 power of 4 plus until 30 power of 30. Our second group was 1 power of 2 plus 2 power of 3 plus 3 power of 4 plus 4 power of 5 plus blah blah blah 30 power of 31. Okay, then our third group, 1 cube plus 2 power of 4 plus 3 power of 5 plus 4 power of 6 plus blah blah blah 30 power of 32. It will go like that until our 30th group, which starts like 1 power of 30 plus 2 power of 31 plus 3 power of 32 plus 4 power of 33, and it will go blah blah blah 30 plus power of 61. Okay, let's get one of this group, like summation of these tools. Firstly we need to know such kind of formula: a power of 1 minus 1 equal to a minus 1 multiply a power of m minus 1 plus a power of m minus 2, and it will go like that until plus 1. Firstly we saw there is 2 power of 31. It is like 2 power of 30, which gives us to 1 multiplied by 2. It says we know that it will be change will be 1 and multiply 2. We'll write it 2 power of 1. Okay, that's good. And there's 2 power of 30, which also will give 1, which is 2 power of 0. And if you write like 2 power of 0 plus 2 power of 1 plus 2 power of 2 until 2 power of 29. Let's look. Do you see similarity? We can write it like 2 power of 30 minus 1 multiplied by 2 minus 1. And 2 minus 30 is equivalent to 1 from the Fermat's theorem. 1 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. It will be give 0. Yes, and every part of this group will give 0. But let's look at this group of ones. There is 30 ones, which means 1 multiplied 30 will give 30, and we will divide, and we can write it like 30 This group 30, one's group, it's one's group, two's group, three's group, like blah blah blah, equal to x at mod 31. Okay. Sorry, not 30, only 35. Okay, everything is 0, but the start of this is 30. Like we'll write it's 30 equivalent to x at mod 31. At mod 31. And what 30 means? It's like equivalent to -1. Like if we divide, there is equivalent 1, and you can write it is like number 1 or -1 at 31. There's two answers. You can write it like -1, x equal to -1, or x equal to 30. Both of them are correct. Both of them are correct. Okay, we find the value of x as this question. We use their Fermat's theorem, and we use their formula, which is important also. Okay, it was a kinda very not very difficult but a very interesting question about the number theory. You need to know not only Fermat's theorem and some formulas too in this question. Okay, that's enough from this video. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and like the video. See you next time. Goodbye.